What happened?
Why is Genesee such an important landmark in Waukegan since you're such a professional Waukegan disc golfer?
Stand right here, Ivan.
Stand right there, Ivan.
Wow.
The popo is like right there.
Right there.
The pole is coming straight from the
Like the what?
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, we're vlogging.
Vlogging to the channel?
That's pretty dope. Look.
Yeah. Like shit.
Hi, Iggy.
I'm taking a video?
Yeah.
You said better not go fucking public.
I just did a little bit, but
If he does it, I'll do it.
Is this for you?
I hear. I'll let Kevin do it, but everybody. My father. Alright, ready, set. I can't do this.
Oh, fuck it.
Never again. Never again. I never play this game again. Let's get fired. Oh god. Never.
How's life, X?
Good.
How's life, Kevin? How's life, Chicken?
I'm gone, bro.
He can't park, so Eggy, no explanation needed.
Wait, the what?
Damn. Damn.
I felt that shit. Chicken, I said the same shit in my head.
Oh, that's my pizza.
Chicken, I said the same shit in my head. Yeah, she said I need a new whip.
Did I throw it?
Never mind.
Dog! Alright, so we out here,
This is beautiful, but you know what's not more beautiful than you?
They get 30, you need 40.
that's a video.
That's smart though.
Alright, so welcome to vlog number.
Get 60. Look at it, he needs one in each hand.
Yeah, why you?
You about to look at it. Hey, he is the cutie. Say you thought. Nigga, cutie, nigga, what? He said, man. But you got a mouthful, right?
Yeah.
That's it.
Alright, so we back. We eating in Kenosha. Any thoughts, anyone?
What's that?
Any thoughts? Did you wait, which type of thoughts are you talking about? No comment.
What talking about? How you doing?
Oh, you did a red dot. Look at it.
Actually, yeah.
Hey, don't record me, please.
We're out here. You can't even see me. But we out here. Highland Park. Any words?
Very nice.
Oh yeah.
What do you want to do?
Say hi to the vlog. Quote unquote.
Move a little more.
Okay, so we came to Lake Bluff.
You came to see a fucking sunrise and there's no fucking sun.
Just a whole bunch of clouds.
And just a fucking
There's people here. Oh yeah, there's people swimming over there.
Running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Is this movie that I think you like? This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself. She's been living on the highest shelf. And they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I just wanna know if you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I can't have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen. Oh, lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Oh, lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you.
Ivan, say hi to the vlog.
How's it going, guys? We're out here at JC's baby shower today. You know, Jay Noel, you already know. We're hoping for so far so good. We're hoping for some games later, and we're just hoping for some Modelo's because honestly, we kind of need some right now.
really thirsty now.
Really thirsty.
Aren't you driving?
That's not the point.
You're driving though.
Okay. No cop, no stop.
No come no stop. That's
You'll understand one day. But
shit, I'ma fall. Alright guys, so
Alright, so let's push Abraham and we'll take the camera.
alright, so we're here at Northwestern.
We're at Northwestern right now. It's actually really beautiful. You have to be. Oh my god. Oh my, that's so scary.
Bro, oh yeah. Woo!
So hey, if you did not see the,
Yeah.
you gotta take the flick or what? Hey, right here. Playboy.
He said Playboy. Hold on, let me get these fireworks first. July 4th, 2020. And then Axel is the latest new Playboy.
Through all this suffering, what's the point of living every day? What's the point of life, in your opinion?
Well, don't know. I might have to give you an extension.
Why do other people suffer in different countries? Why are people dying every day? What's the point of life? Why is there hatred in the world, Abraham? Why are these things happening, bro? Tell me why, bro. Tell me why. Aren't we all human beings? Aren't we all human beings? What does the future president of the United States of America have to say towards this?
Well, it's funny how we were all in the conversation, but we just broke up.
Oh shit. Looking Wait, wait.
I don't know. What do you think the purpose of life is, X?
To just die.
You, Kevin?
The purpose of life?
Yeah.
There is no purpose in life.
Exactly.
So the purpose of life is
Why
to not have a purpose in life?
Why live our life?
The purpose of
If
life
we're gonna
is
die.
just to like live you fully, like you get your like
But why?
moment of
If
life,
we're gonna die.
and then you're gonna die eventually.
But why? But what happens after you die?
Exactly.
What happens after?
What do you think
Die,
happens?
what you mean?
What do you mean?
You just
Do
die,
you think you go to heaven, hell?
You don't go to
so
heaven
you come back
because nobody knows
as a
that-
new person?
Nobody knows if that's true or not.
But what do you think? I'm
Just
asking
read
you.
the Bible. The Bible was
But I'm asking you, what do you think?
Bible was written
I'm
by
asking you, what do you think?
Bible was
I'm
written by
asking you,
somebody.
what do you think? Exactly. I'm asking for your opinion.
How do we get out? How do we get out?
Because he makes it complicated.
There's people around us like everywhere.
What are you trying to achieve? What are your goals in life?
There's no
What do you believe in?
There's no goals. This is-
Abraham, what do you believe in?
But chicken didn't answer the question.
Okay, well, chicken's complicated, man. Old man going through
You're not
it.
even asking me that question.
That's why nibbles is not it. Females either. All they do is cheat nowadays.
What'd you say, Evan?
What happened?
Good.
I was saying.
Add me on Snap.
bro.
Add me on Snap. X107.
I have an MTZ underscore 07.
You know what's father?
But yeah.
Oh, he run. He.
Thought that shit was coming our way.
Damn.
I ran back.
right
That shit
here.
would have gone this way. I would have died. I would have jumped into the lake.
Bro.
This man.
No.
That's not.
So,
Everything right now that's happening is illegal.
come on, it's still that's up to you.
They spent the good money on it.
Yeah, like it's not
That's a spider, bro.
They see this shit every day.
They went to Wisconsin.
On me.
Deep in Wisconsin.
Indiana, that's what they have in that.
This man said, I've never heard Indiana for fireworks. I've always heard Wisconsin.
Ow! No, I'm just kidding.
Just looking pro close.
He said,
Why did I say I went to the water,
That's
bro?
true. I'm like, I'm like, ah!
Hurry up.